Remdesivir to Bemzivir will go live to Dhaka as Bangladesh is the first country to make a generic version of the COVID-19 treatment. Now, we've spoken about the drug Remdesivir quite a bit on this programme. It is, of course, the drug originally made to treat Ebola by the US giant Gilead Sciences has been approved for use as a COVID-19 treatment. Well, now, for the first time, a generic version has been licensed. It's being made by Bangladesh's leading pharmaceutical firm Beximco, and it is, of course, called Bemzivir. They will sell it privately for around $77 a vial, but it will give away free to state-run hospitals. We're live now to the Bangladeshi capital Dhaka and Beximco's Chief Operating Officer, Dr. Rabah Reza. Dr. Reza, very good to see you. So how many countries do you hope to export to initially?
Thank you for having me, Ian, on your program. And basically, at this moment, we're not sure that how many countries we'll be exporting our products to. But we are receiving a number of queries from different parts of the world. And most of the places are basically the developing nations. And also we're getting requests from few European countries as well. But today we're very happy that we have been able to launch Remdesivir and made it accessible for the patients in Bangladesh. So the COVID-19 patients, the seriously ill patients, they can access this medicine. But as you said, that how many countries, as of now, we are not sure that how many countries will access this medicine.
Is this quite a tricky compound to manufacture?
You see, for any drug, and to make it stable, it is tricky, definitely tricky. And here, basically, this product is injectable. We are giving this product directly into the vein, basically. So we need to be sure that what we are putting in the vein is basically the right medicine we are giving. And this is for life-saving. So it is tricky. And the solubility of this product is tricky a little bit. But our scientists, they work day and night to make this happen, and we're very proud of that.
And typically, how many vials are needed in a course of treatment?
You see, the trials, there have been limited trials now in the US, and based on the trials, they say that it could be either 5-day course or 10-day course. So for 5-day, they start with 2 vials on the first day. And then following 4 days, 1 vial. So the total 6 vials needed. When it is 10-day course, it will be 11 vials. So day 1, 2 vials, followed by 1 vial each on for the next 9 days. So either 6 vials or 11 vials over 5 days or 10 days.
So potentially a course of treatment could be as much as $800 per patient.
Thing is, you see here, I think the price that you have quoted, our price that we need to take a price from our regulatory authority. So the price that we have taken is basically around $65. $65 in local currency, 5,500 taka. And for the government hospitals, we are giving this free in Bangladesh. So if we need to supply this to private hospitals, then we'll have to charge this 5,500 taka per patients. Actually, the hospital will be charging this. And if you're exporting, it could be, around same price, but we're working on the pricing. And you see, the goal for us as a company is to make medicine firstly accessible and then make it affordable. So although we have launched our product at this price, definitely we are looking at reducing the cost over time. So yes, you're right that at this moment per vial is $65, but that we live in a country where affordability could be a problem. So that is why our management has decided that we'll be giving this medicine free of charge to all patients being treated in the government hospitals. And basically in Bangladesh, most of the patients, the COVID-19 patients, are being treated in government hospitals. So you can say that virtually this medicine is free in Bangladesh.
Okay, Dr. Reza, we have to leave it there. Thanks very much for joining me. Good to see you.
Thanks for having me, Ian. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Now, at the beginning of the lockdown, there was a rush to